Welcome to another episode of TitBit. Snoring happens when the flow of air through the mouth and nose is partially blocked during sleep, causing tissues in the throat to vibrate. Several factors contribute to snoring. 1. Anatomy of the airway. A narrow throat, large tonsils, or a long, soft palate can restrict airflow. The tongue can fall back during sleep, blocking the airway. 2. Sleep position. Sleeping on your back causes the tongue and soft tissues to collapse toward the throat, increasing snoring. 3. Obesity. Excess fat around the neck puts pressure on the airway, making it narrower and more likely to vibrate. 4th, nasal congestion. A stuffy nose from allergies or a cold makes breathing harder, leading to snoring. Did you love the information so far? Please consider subscribing to TitBit for more such content. 5. Alcohol and sedatives. These relax throat muscles, making it easier for the airway to collapse. 6. Sleep apnea. A serious condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep, often leading to loud snoring.